In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter formulas in Google Sheets without typing them. Whether you're trying to add up a list of numbers or find their average, Google Sheets has a nifty feature that can make your work faster and more efficient without having to manually type out the formulas. Let's dive right into it. First, you want to start by opening your Google Sheets and ensuring all your data is in place. Now take a moment to think about which cells you want to apply the formula to. In our example today, we'll focus on using the sum and average functions, which are among the most common calculations in spreadsheets. Once you've decided on your target cells, you'll need to select them. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the range of cells you want to include in your formula. Make sure you highlight all the necessary cells accurately, as this will ensure that the correct data is processed when the formula is applied. Now, let's move on to the toolbar at the top of your screen in Google Sheets. On the far right of this toolbar, you'll notice a symbol that resembles a capital Greek letter sigma, which looks like an E turned on its back. This is the functions icon, and it's your shortcut to quickly apply formulas without typing them out. Go ahead and click on this sigma icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. You'll see a variety of functions listed there. For our demonstration, find and choose the function you need from this list. If you're looking to find the sum of your chosen cells, click on Sum. Similarly, if you're interested in calculating the average, click on Average. Once you've made your selection, Google Sheets does the magic for you by automatically applying the selected formula to the cell directly below the range of cells you highlighted. Isn't that neat? This feature not only saves you time, but also minimizes the chance of making errors in typing out formulas manually. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can effortlessly insert formulas in Google Sheets without having to type them. It's a quick and efficient way to handle data calculations, especially when dealing with large data sets. As you continue working with Google Sheets, you'll find this feature invaluable for maintaining productivity and accuracy. Feel free to experiment with other functions from the drop-down menu and see how they can benefit your particular projects. Thanks for watching and happy calculating!